Welcome to Rustbuster Frameworks Installation Guide. Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of their manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards.
Step 2. Remove the vehicle's wheel and hold the part up to mark the location of where you're going to be cutting. Step 3. Begin cutting the frame along your cut line. Once the bottom half is removed, grind and clean the area free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Step 4. Slide the part up into place while using the frame holes for alignment. Followed by C-clamping it into place. Then, weld the part on the top, sides, and bottom. Step 5. Install your new or existing bump stop, followed by painting the part and work area to help prevent against further rust development. And you're done.